Okay, we're now ready to start exploring a very exciting and useful learning platform called MGBerura.com. So please write into your browser this address. Make sure that you put in the periods as is shown here. And once you get there, go to that website. Once you arrive at the page of the MGBerura.com, this is what the page looks like. We are now ready to log in. Make sure though that it's Mishnah Gemara Berura, because there's another platform that is just called MGBerura.com. We are going to be using throughout this year Mishnah.GemaraBerura.com. So make sure that you're here, and once you arrive, you're going to log in with your school email. Okay, and this is what our work area looks like. So on the right side, you have different tools that we're going to be using, and these tools are for us to divide the different sections of the Mishnah. As we have learned about, there are different parts of the Mishnah. There are cases, and there is din and the reason as well. So here, these buttons are going to help us divide. When you hover over these buttons, it tells you what it is. This is for divide. This is subdivide, and this is used for connecting things, and this is to cancel the connection. This one is used for cancel the connection. The excess means that we are undoing something. So this is one set of tools. This is all basically for dividing and subdividing. And here we have the buttons that are going to help us classify the different parts of the Mishnah. For example, one thing that we already know is the Dalit, which is the din, the law. So some parts of the Mishnah are going to be classified with this button because it's a din. This one is something that we already have studied, and that is the case, the mikre. The other one that we have learned a little bit is the reason. When, for example, the Mishnah explains the reason for something, we're going to classify it as a ta. Another one we have not found yet is the aleph, which is the omer, the speaker. And that is often a Mishnah mentions the name of the rabbi who says the halacha. So we're going to classify it. And then sometimes a Mishnah might also have a koteret, which is a title. A title could be like in English when we have actually a title of a topic. But it also could be by way of like a question. The question is telling us this is what the title, this is what the subject matter of this Mishnah is. Here we have our buttons to work to get the access to the information. So for example, here we have when we want to open up a piece of a Mishnah. We're not going to be using this so much, but here would be we open up and find the Mishnah. It's in the Zikin, and then here's the Mesechet. Mesechet we're learning is Bar Metzia, and then here would be the Perik, and then we open it and bring it up to the working space. But what you're usually going to have is that I'm going to be sending you, I'm going to be sharing with you a text. So you would go to File, and you would find in Files, you will find a Mishnah, for example, Elu Metziot 9, which is the Mishnah that we're learning. And then you would just click on that Mishnah. And here it is. This is the Mishnah that we already learned. Eizeo Aveda, and here's the Mishnah. And then we're going to practice how do we divide this Mishnah and how we code it and classify it according to the tools that we have here. And this will help you see the Mishnah in a very clear and helpful, useful way. And when we finish, of course, we go to save, and then we log out. And this is just a basic overview of what this program is. And we're going to be using it throughout the year, and you're going to be able to be very comfortable, and you will see a lot of benefit. It will be very helpful to you in your learning. When we finish, we just log out, and that's basically it.